Hey, have you ever wondered how to draw a hydrangea? Well, in this easy 8-step tutorial, I'll show you how I go from line to shape to flower. Don't worry, it's easy. This pencil sketch is completely beginner friendly. So let's get started. For my pencils, I'm using H and B, multimedia paper, an eraser, and don't forget to sprinkle some creativity and imagination on top. Step 1. You're going to want to draw a nice light circle. I'm using my H pencil now so that when it's time to erase, it'll be a whole lot easier. Step 2. Add your stem. It could be a straight line or it could be slightly curved. Step 3. These lines are the base for your leaves. Step 4. Dot inside the circle. These are going to be your little guide points for your petal. There's no rhyme or reason to it. They can be random. That's just fine. Step 5. What you're going to do is turn each dot into an X. These become mini flower petals and they do not have to be identical. Step 6. Around each X, add a curved C shape. This gives each cluster its petal shape, and you can mix the sizes for a natural look. If you notice, around the center of the flower, I'm getting 4 full petals. But around the outside of the flower, I'm going to change the shape to give it more of a sphere look. Keep watching and I'll zoom in to show you what I'm talking about. Now that the petals are done, I'm going to work on the leaves. I'm still going to continue to draw the letter C. Step 7. This is the fun part. I took my B pencil and started to fill in all the details. Here's where I was able to be more precise. Step 8. You made it to the final step. All you have to do is erase and clean up any extra lines that you don't want. Congratulations, you've gone from line to shape to flower. Who knew we could draw a hydrangea in 8 steps, and all while using the alphabet? Thanks for coming on my creative art journey with me. Let me know what flower I should draw next. Alright, let me go ahead and get back to the drawing board.